Hi there. Today's video is going to be a little bit different. In the comments somebody asked me to kind of show my sluice box setup and what I've got and how it uses. So today I want to show you my sluice box setup, what it is, review it a little bit, tell you what I like about it, what I don't like about it, and maybe some improvements. I've got some dirt here that I want to run and test that I've already ran through the sluice box once, and I'm just wondering if my hunch is right and I'm losing some gold. So anyway, this is a 51-inch backpack sluice box made by Royal Manufacturing. I have the V up here for the top for running it in a stream, and I also have the recirculating head, also by Royal Manufacturing. One of the things I liked the best about this is that it folds up and fits right into a 5-gallon bucket. So this one folds up, this one folds up, the flare sits right in here. You can put in a 5-gallon bucket. You've still got enough room for some drinks, your snuffer bottle, and some other things. So it makes it real easy to pack in and set up. You know, the other thing I like about it is the riffles come right down here, the inspection mat, and a lot of the gold ends up sitting right in here. I like that. I love the inspection mat because you can see the gold going in. Love that. One of the things I don't like about it is it got a hole right in the middle of the V. That's kind of weird. I guess you can put a screw in there. There's also one in the recirculating head. They've got a screw in it. I'm sure it must have something to do with the manufacturing. I'll grab the camera here. So we're running metal riffles with expanded metal and carpet underneath. I've got a 1200 gallon per hour tsunami pump and my battery, of course. Let's fire this thing up, and you've got to run this at a pretty steep angle for this pump. Could probably use a bigger pump. This is what comes with the pump, but you got to run it at a pretty steep angle to get the riffles to work right. But it's running pretty good. But my thought is with this running correctly and everything, these riffles are so much agitation in here, it really boils it out, which it's supposed to do. But I think I'm losing some of the gold. I don't know that for sure, but I always seem like I see a lot more up in here than I actually get when I clean out, because it washes down into the sluice. So, and that could be, you know, a lot of different reasons. Could be my angle, water flow, of course, all kinds of things. But anyway, I got some dirt over here that's already been through the sluice box once. I'm going to set this up a little different. I think I'm going to take out the riffles, maybe decrease the angle a little bit, and run it through again just to see if I'm missing some gold or not. I don't know if I actually am, but I'm going to take these out and just run it over the expanded metal and carpet and see what I can come up with. And maybe we'll get some gold, maybe we won't. I'll put these back in here. But I am just kind of curious to see if I can see any gold in that stuff I ran with the riffles in here a while back, and that's just been sitting around. And we'll see what this test holds. I'm going to get some gold hog mats and stick in here. I'm curious to see how that's going to work. They should be in the mail, but they were supposed to be here today. Hopefully they'll be here tomorrow and I can play with those. I'm excited about that. I just feel like I always see more gold up here than I actually get when I clean out. So it's got to be going somewhere, and I've never taken the time to rerun it or repan it. So anyway, we'll get that and run that. And I've had this sluice box for, oh my gosh, 7-8 years now. One of the other things, if you set it up as a recirculator, it does leak, but you can put some duct tape on the bottom of it and that stops that. But, so it's not a huge deal, but it does leak some water. Well, there's a piece of gold right there, already showing up. I've already done 3 scoops. Yeah, right there. That's crazy. I think I'm going to readjust this thing. Alright, so I've readjusted this thing. Not quite a steep angle on it with the riffles in. There we go, see if we can get most of the heavies to stick in the mat up there. I'm already seeing a few pieces of gold in there. I don't know if that's very good if I'm losing gold already. On what, 5 or 6 scoops, 7, 8, something like that. There's a piece right there. There's a piece right there. Uh-oh. Well, I'll keep running this, and if I'll run it for a while, and I'll show you what I'm getting out of this thing. Alright, well, we just got done running out 1 bucket of dirt, and water's a little dirty. So it went pretty well. Let's go ahead and we'll turn off this pump and see what we got, if we can see anything in the mat at all. Sun's not shining, so, well, I don't know if you can see it. Kind of glary. There's a couple little specks in there, nothing big. And I can see 1, 2, I don't know, 4 or 5 little ones in there. But I'll go ahead and clean this up and see what we get. Okay, so I'm all done cleaning up. I think the backpack sluice box did pretty good. You know, there's a piece. There's probably 20-30 pieces in there. So I don't know if it's good enough for me or not. Go a second time around to get, I don't know, some really fine stuff, and 2, you know, little teeny flakes. I don't know. Well, hopefully the gold hog mats will be here today or tomorrow. I can get some dirt and play with that. So, I mean, the sluice box didn't catch all the gold, but it did pretty good, I guess. So anyway, that is my setup, and that's what I use here at the house and also out in the field. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you next time.